You are watching glow up videos, saving posts, making plans, but deep down you know you haven't really changed anything about how you show up. And I'm going to say this with love. If you keep living like this, 2026 will look exactly how 2025 was, unless you rebrand yourself intentionally. Let me ask you a question. If you wake up tomorrow and nobody remembers the old version of you, no expectations, no mistakes, nothing at all, how would you show up? How will you speak? What do you tolerate and what you don't tolerate? Keep that version in mind while watching this video because that's the person we are rebranding into. If you're still watching this video, I know exactly how you feel. Something inside you says that something needs to change, but you don't know how. It doesn't have to change overnight. It doesn't have to be a dramatic change. Maybe 2025 actually drained you. Maybe you outgrew people. Maybe the old version you doesn't fit you anymore. So let's talk like friends or like an elder sister who has been there and learned it a hard way. This video isn't about becoming someone fake or you don't resonate with. It's about branding yourself for 2026. Calmly, honestly, and in a way that actually works and also lasts. So the step number 1 is decide who you are becoming and not what you're fixing. Most people rebrand by asking, what is wrong with me? I want you to ask something softer. If no one knew my past, how would I want to be? What would I choose to be? 2026 is not about fixing your flaws. It's about choosing your identity. The way you speak, the way you react, what you choose, how you treat yourself. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need a direction. For me, it looked like realizing that I do not want to be the old version of myself, like always doubting myself and being tired all the time. I didn't want that anymore. I wanted to be someone calm, clear, and someone who trusts herself even when I'm just figuring it out. Step number 2 is detach yourself from the old version. This part is uncomfortable, so I'll be honest with you. You can love your old self, but still outgrow her. Old habits, old reactions, old comfort zones. They don't make you weak. They just don't serve the new purpose of new you anymore. Rebranding doesn't mean that you have to self-hate. It means that you want to change and you want to rebrand yourself into someone new who you always wanted to be, but you didn't have the courage to do that. It is more about respecting what you actually want for yourself and believing that you can have it, believing that you can become it. You should allow yourself to move on from yourself without explaining much. Step number 3 is change your environment before you change yourself. Motivation fades, but environment stays. Your room, your phone wallpaper, your social media feed, your daily routines. All these quietly tells your brain who the person you are. So clean your space. Unfollow people that makes you feel behind. Surround yourself with visuals that reflects how you want your life to be. This isn't just about the aesthetics. This is psychological. It is like rewiring your brain to think the way you want to live your life. I have recently unfollowed so many people from my social media, my Instagram, just because I don't want that negative energy or the self-doubt, knowing that some people are doing better than me and it's okay. It's okay. That's their life. That's their timing. And I am completely okay with it. And I'm okay with the timing that I have. And I believe I'm going to make it, but it is not just the time for me. So you have to act like that. You have to believe in yourself and try to avoid any source of negativity in your life, whether it's people, following people on social media, family, friends that no longer serve the life you want to have. We have to cut them off. Step number 4 is build a skill that makes you feel capable. Confidence doesn't come from affirmations only. It comes from knowing that you can handle your life situations. It comes from knowing that you are capable of handling life. So pick one skill in 2026, like working on your communication, content creation, maybe fitness, money management, finance, emotional regulation, anything that you feel calling for, and just one, so you can perfect yourself in it. When you feel capable of something, your energy shifts and people start noticing that skill in you even without you saying a word that you went for it, you were working on it. People will notice and they will appreciate you for it. For me, I chose to work on my communication skills and I'm still working on how I present myself on the camera. And I think one day I want to be more expressive because I know I'm not. And showing up for camera every day has changed the way I show up as a person in real life as well. So it definitely helps building a skill. It doesn't have to be very large scale, just a small one, but you have to get good into it. You have to become capable. Step number 5 is do a quiet visual rebrand. Let me say this clearly. You don't need a new personality. You just need alignment. How you dress, how you speak, how you show up to people, how you show up online. It doesn't need to be trending or forced. It should feel intentional. Your presence should be calm, grounded, confident, not loud, not apologetic. I have stopped myself from dressing the way the influencers do because I know it is a trend, but it doesn't make me feel me. I want to look more comfortable, put together, and confident in my own skin. I do not want to copy paste what other people do, but I just want to have my own sense of style, and I'm still working on it. Step number 6 is reprogram your mind. Now, this is the real work. Your old mindset will follow you in 2026 as well. It'll say you're doing too much. Who do you think you are? This won't last. This voice isn't intuition, it is conditioning. So talk to yourself like someone you love. Set boundaries. Allow discomfort. Rebranding your life requires mental maturity. Every time I feel cringe or doubt myself, I always remind myself that growth always feels uncomfortable before it feels normal. Step number 7 is align your lifestyle with new you. You can't say that you are entering a new era and living the same old routines. Look at how you sleep. Look at how you move your body. Look at how you rest. Look at how you spend your evening. Tiny changes done consistently creates identity shift. Glow-ups aren't built on motivation. They are built on structure. I started protecting my energy, saying no more often, and choosing rest without any guilt. Step number 8 is showing up before you feel ready. Now, this is one of the most important steps in all of the rebranding process. And this is the part I wish someone told me earlier. You will never feel fully ready. So post the video. Apply for that job. Apply for that opportunity. Speak your truth. Start the damn thing. The new version of you will get activated only with your action, not just the planning. Confidence follows the moment. You have to make the move first. I stopped waiting to feel ready and started showing up, and that has energetically shifted a lot of things in my life. Trust me. Now that we are at the end of this video, let me remind you something. You are not behind, you are not broken, and you are not late. You are entering your new chapter with more softness, more grace, more maturity, and most importantly, more self-respect. Rebranding isn't about becoming unrecognizable. It's about becoming unapologetically aligned with who you want to be. So girlies, let's begin this new era because we all deserve the life we are dreaming of. And before you click away, tell me in the comments how your dream life looks like. I read all of them. Tell me more about what you're leaving behind from your old self. If you're choosing growth over comfort in 2026, you are not doing it alone. We are doing it together. This space is for the people who are aspiring to become the better version of themselves. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and the bell notification so you get to know whenever I'm active. That's all for today, and see you later. Bye.